Good afternoon to Dr. Hafiza. We are from Group 15 and today we would like to present the analysis of blood donation and attitudes toward organ donation in Kedah from January to December 2024. First, I would like to introduce our group members, which consist of Srineswari, Pavina, myself Vinita and Sanchi.
Hello everyone, my name is Srineswari, daughter of Sivan. My metric number is CP240059. Today I want to present about the introduction of the title. Do people who give the blood and support organ donation? This project looking at health data from January to December 2024. The data coming from the Malaysian Ministry of Health. We want to find out the people who donate blood also like to support organ donation. Blood donation majority give our blood to help skin people, and organ donation majority give our organ like heart, kidney to help other when you die. When use some easy method tools called correctly and reguised that help you see in two things are connected. First, when more people give blood, more people also sign up to donation their organ. This show a positive link between two. So the study tell people who give blood are more like to think or organ donation good. Blood donation offer care about help others. Blood donation can be signed to someone has kind heart and want to help by give organ too. So our group taking straight of Kedah. Our group choose straight of Kedah. So impact variation X and defects variation Y. X is blood donation, Y is organ donation. For the X blood donation, number of individual donating blood each month and assumed to influence organ donation attitude. And tips for Y organ donation, number for individual resigning for organ donation each month. So justification, the healthcare organization believe individual who donate blood and more like to support organ donation. Study in the link may help demand in increased blood donation lead to higher organ donation resignation. Based on the slide, we separate organ donation and blood donation based on 12 months. In X is blood donation, Y is organ donation, which is January in blood donation is 1,721, organ donation is 72. February 1,759 blood donation, organ donation is 46, and March 1,803 and organ donation is 57. April blood donation was 1,393 and organ donation 559, and May 1,836 of blood donation and 61 for organ donation. June 1,685 in blood donation, 80 for organ donation. July 1,685 for blood donation and organ donation is 60. August 2,124 of blood donation and 73 organ donation, and September 1,693 blood donation and organ donation is 42. August 1,820 blood donation, however organ donation is 37. November is 1,851 is blood donation. However, organ donation is 87. And lastly, December based on blood donation are 1,469 and organ donation 55. That's all. Thank you.
For the scatter plot graph in this question, the plots were made by referring to the data that was given in the Ministry of Health website regarding the number of organ donation and the number of blood donation in Kedah in the year of 2024. So based on the graph, we can see that there is a weak positive correlation between the number of blood donations and attitude towards organ donation in Kedah from January to December 2024. So first we need to find x square, y square and xy to be able to substitute that into the formula to find r. So to find x square, we need to multiply x and x. To find y square, we need to multiply y and the value of y. And lastly, to find xy, we need to find the product of x and y. Next, we need to substitute the value that is obtained from the table into the formula given. And so we obtain the value of r, which is 0.24, and this shows that there is a weak positive correlation between blood donation and the attitudes toward organ donation. Coefficient of determination, which is r squared, is used to assess the proportion of variation in y explained by x, and it can take any value from 0 to 1. So to find r squared, we need to multiply the value of r that we found previously, which is 0.24 with 0.24, and we will get 0.058, which is 5.8%. And this indicates that 5.8% of changes in blood donation can be predicted, while the remaining 94.2% of organ donation varies due to sampling errors and other factors.
Now, let's go through the steps to estimate the regression line using the least square method. In step 1, we calculate the mean of x and y. The total for x is 20,815 and the total for y is 729. We divide each by 12 since there are 12 observations. So the mean of x is 20,815 divided by 12 equals 1734.58, and the mean of y is 729 divided by 12 equals 60.75. In step 2, we calculate SXY, which shows the relationship between x and y. The formula is sum of x times y minus 1 over 12 multiplied by the total of x and the total of y. That's 1,272,002 minus 1 over 12 times 20,815 times 729, which gives 1,272,002 minus 1,264,511.25. The result is 7,490.75. In step 3, we calculate SXX, which is the spread of x values. The formula is sum of x squared minus 1 over 12 multiplied by the square of total of x. That's 3,649,025 minus 1 over 12 times 20,815 squared. This equals 3,649,025 minus 3,610,352.08, which gives 38,472.92. In step 4, we calculate the slope, written as b root naught. We divide SXY by SXX. That is 7,490.75 divided by 38,472.92, which equals 0.02. In step 5, we calculate the intercept, also known as b naught. The formula is the mean of y minus the slope multiplied by the mean of x. That is 60.75 minus 0.02 times 1734.58. So we multiply first. 0.02 times 1734 0.58 equals 34.69. Now subtract 60.75 minus 34.69 equals 26.06. So the intercept is 26.06. In step 6, we write the regression equation. The formula is y hat equals intercept plus slope times x. We substitute the values y hat equals 26.06 plus 0.02 times x. So the final regression equation is y hat equals 26.06 plus 0.02x. This means for every 1 unit increase in x, the predicted value of y increased by 0.02, starting from a base of 26.06 when x is 0.
Hi, good morning. For this part is talking about the evaluations of the healthcare organizations camps and the moderate positive correlations are equal 0.24 and the low coefficients of determinations are squared 0.058. Although the regression lines show a positive trend, suggestions that those who donate blood are somewhat more likely to support organ donations. This range of the relationship is not sustainable. Therefore, the statistic stat- inventive offer only limited support for the healthcare organization claim. That's for my part. I will pass to my member. Thanks.
Using the updated forecasted blood donation figure for January 2025, 5 as 1611, we can apply the previously derived least square regression equation to forecast organ donations for that month. The regression equation is y equals to 26.06 plus 0.02 times x, where x equals to number of blood donations and y equals to predicted number of organ donations. Substitute x equals to 1611, y equals to 26.06 plus 0.02 times 1611 equals to 26.06 plus 32.22 equals to 58.28. Based on the regression equation, if 1611 people donate blood in January 2025, the predicted number of people willing to donate organs is approximately 58.
Hi, for my part, I will explain the conclusions. The conclusion about the correlation coefficients are equal 0.24 shows a positive link between the blood donation and organ donations. For the registrations model, the equations is y equal 26.06 plus 0.02x, which help us focus future organ donation numbers. However, the coefficient of determinations R squared was only 5.8%, meaning blood donation explains very little of the variations in organ donation attitude. Although our finding aims offer limited statistical support for the healthcare organization claim, they do show a potential connections. This suggests that encouraging blood donation could still indirectly promote organ donation, especially when both are promoted under the shared value of the helping others. That's all for my conclusions. Thank you.